Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a great time. Today I will be reviewing another EA. It is called Topbottome EA for MetaTrader 4. Now before I go and explain in detail, I just want to thank you for your patience with me for this month. I wasn't that active to be fully supportive and to make reviews as usual, but this is life. Sometime you will have some personal stuff to do with and external factors, so you will not be able to live in the online world for a couple times. Now before I continue, I just want to mention something. I received so many support from you guys explaining that, thanking me, telling me that you saved us a lot of money. To be honest, this is something I really want to do, not only selling the EA, I want to help and provide real value, give you the real insight. Because imagine if someone purchased one EA for 2000 US dollar and then eventually the EA seem or appear to be crap, not working, or at least giving bad result. What happened? The guy will lose his capital plus the money he paid for the CA. Now if you purchase from us same EA, unlock it unlimited, no restriction, however only for 45 or 50 US dollar, and what happened if you lose? At least you will not lose 2000 US dollar, because I'm gonna be honest with you, this become a business where everyone is just gonna make some catchy name for an EA and then it will sell it for 2000 or 3000 US dollar, and people are just gonna hyping this EA. This is the next big thing. This will not be the case in the future, because you know why we review this EA. I know so many creators are upset with me. They report me, they take down my videos because I expose them. If the EA is good, I will tell you this EA is good. If the EA is normal, I will tell you it will be normal. If the EA is bad, I will be honest about it. So they will get upset about this. So for the strategy of this EA Topbottome, it is depend on volatility, adaptive mechanism. What do we mean by volatility? It means the EA will trade most likely whenever the price is volatile. For example, like gold, like price of Great British Pound Canadian, or Bitcoin, price is up, down, it is volatile. So this EA will adaptive the mechanism. So this EA will only trade when the conditions are available. The time frame would be 1 minute. You can use any broker you want. EA does not use Great or Martingale. Each trade has stop loss strictly, and you can use $100 as well. So for the overview of this EA, we can see that the EA currently is trending. That means so many people are purchasing this EA. That means it provides some value at least. The price is a bit expensive, but you can see the EA support of small capital, real trading. We have live result for 4 years. So that is one of the advantage of this EA, because it is very important to read the backtest or the history of the CA to see how or what to expect in the future. So it only trade one trade at a time. There is a stop loss, and you can use it for 3 pairs, 1 minute chart. So admin, he said that after backtesting for a couple of years, the EA was reliable and successful, etc. He explained it in detail, which is very good to know some detail, but it is important. We can just look at the backtest. For example, the maximal is 1%. I'm not sure that will be realistic in real time, but we can expect to have 10 maybe to 20 drawdown at least for this type of EA, because the stop loss might be bigger than TP, so that will be the cost. Other than that, the EA seem to be, the reviews are good. We have some positive and some negative. So the EA, the creator is always updating his EA and making sure to keep up with the market. Very important. Now for the live signal, the first one, we can see the reliability is 5-star for this EA, which is very impressive. He started with 269 US dollar and made 1682 USD. So this is very amazing. If we can notice here, not only that, the profit factor is higher than losing ratio, and the drawdown is only 26%. The gain is massive, but this is for 4 years of history, not 1 year. So you can see the performance of this EA is amazing. However, one drawdown, maybe the average holding time is too much, which is the case for any EA. So if we can see for 2019, the first month he made 99% gain, enormous. For the following month he made a lot of money, and why this happened? In July he made 0. So it depends on the volatility. If the market is volatile, some EAs will have more performance. For example, in 2020, I don't know why he didn't run his EA. He have some gap here of zero trade, I believe. But in 2021 was good performance. This one the best 2 years. And then in 2022, the performance of this EA kind of decreased. And right now, this is where we are. I don't know why he is making low, but it's not used to be as the same over the previous month. So perhaps the market condition change. This is the case with all EA. You can see if you purchase the EA here, you would be having a lot of profit. But here, maybe it will continue to be better in the future. We don't really know, but right now the performance is kind of declining for this EA for some reason, because you can see the drawdown. Maybe he decreased the risk size, so that's why the average is 5%. This is probably logical. However, the EA used to be very good at the past few years, so we don't know what happened. Now, for one day, it can have 2 or maybe 3 trades per day. You can see all of these are profit. We have some stop loss, profit, stop loss. So he is making money, but not as the previously, because if we can go back to 2021, we can see in one day he made like a lot of profit. So this means he used other currency perhaps. I don't know why the performance decreased, but if we can check statistic, after 1584 trade, the accuracy is 62%. So this is correct. This is real-time statistic evaluation, and losing trade is only 37%. That's also possible. The average loss is a bit higher than average win. This is the cost of, you can make it like this. For example, you have the accuracy, and then you have R to R, risk to reward ratio. Sometimes it will be like balance. If this is high, this will get lower. If this is high, this will get lower. So it's like opposite relationship, and this is the case for some EAs. Now, his main trading is Great British Pound, Canadian, this one, and Euro, SGD, Gold, Great British Pound, USD. I would recommend you only use these top 3 EA because this one has most data, so they will be more reliable. Now, how do we improve the performance of this EA? That we need to backtest and to see what happened, because you can see by balance we have 26% drawdown. At the point of time, maybe there were multiple trade open and it didn't hit stop loss. It did not hit stop loss, so that's why this happened. We need to optimize it and see what is the issue. So let us check on dashboard. So what we're gonna do right now, you need 3 charts, 1 minute time frame, gold, Great British Pound, Canadian, and Euro, SGD. So for each one, make sure time frame is 1 minute, and you simply drag the EA into the chart for each one. Allow live trading as usual. These are the basic setting we have. First, you have lot size. So for 1000, I recommend you use 0.05. Make sure what is compound. You can use this compound effect. Risk 40%. That is too much. I would probably make it 1 or maybe 3%. And volatility, you let everything in default. Magic number, you can change it for each chart, and you can change the comment as well. So eventually this will be the EA. You can see there is a smiley face. That means EA is working and ready to trade. So let me show you where is the, you can see it is initialized and it is successfully loaded. So that is the EA for Topbottome EA. To be honest, it used to be one of the best EA in the past, but right now I will tell you what is the advantage and disadvantage of this EA. So we have live result for plus 4 years, which is quite amazing. EA does not use any martingale or grid. Very nice. On the other side, disadvantage, the performance has kinda declined, so this will be one of the disadvantage, and the average holding time is also too much, so I would give it 3.5 star out of 5. I believe that will be the real rate, or for this EA at least. We don't know until the future it make any update to increase the performance as it was before. That will be much better. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.